What's up people, Varun here. So today we are checking out a very premium laptop. This is ASUS ZenBook UX435. It's a 14-inch device powered by Intel Core i7 11th gen processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB of SSD, and to top it all, it is also equipped with Nvidia GeForce MX450 graphics card. So without any further delay, let's crack the box open, check the laptop out, and then let's review it together. All right, let's do this. Oh, really nice unboxing experience here. So as you can see, as soon as you lift this up, the laptop also lifts from the bottom. It's a nice mechanism. Anyways, so yeah, this is the laptop. Wow, very, very thin. Let me keep that aside. This here, we have USB 3 to RJ45 dongle. And we have the charger. And this is USB-C, finally. This is not your barrel connector. Anything else? Yes, we do have some paperwork as well, your normal paperwork. And one sec, we do have something on the top lid as well. Yep. And tucked at the lid of the box, we have the ASUS sleeve, which looks very elegant and stylish. All right, so in the box, you have the laptop itself, the charger, the Ethernet dongle, paperwork, and the sleeve. Hey guys, so today we are taking a look at the ASUS ZenBook 14. The exact model number is UX435EGL. This laptop is ultra premium and incredibly light with top of the line specs. It comes with Intel Core i7 11th gen processor with Xe graphics, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1 TB of NVMe M.2 SSD. The icing on the cake is the dedicated Nvidia MX450 graphics card with 2 GB of video RAM. On paper, this laptop is the spec king. Let's see how it fares in the real world. Alright, let's start the review by talking about ZenBook 14's display. ZenBook 14 features a 14-inch Full HD matte finish display with incredibly slim 2.6mm four-sided nano edge bezels that result in a screen-to-body ratio of 92%. This provides the maximum amount of display area in a minimal body size. The display also gets pretty bright, which provides a better visual experience. Its nits count is 400. ZenBook 14's display also excels when it comes to color reproduction and accuracy. The colors are true to life and does not get washed out when you move the screen around. The sRGB color gamut is 100%, a perfect display for those who are into content creation. The display of ZenBook 14 features a low blue light mode and anti-flicker technology which can greatly reduce the harmful effects of blue light and display blinking. Overall, an excellent display panel that will suit everyone. Now, let's jump to its build quality and design. When it comes to the overall build quality, ZenBook 14 is right at the top of the laptop chain as it uses military-grade aluminum alloy which is ultralight yet strong. You won't believe how thin and light this machine is just by looking at it. You really need to hold it and experience the magic. Feels as if you are holding a dummy laptop. Last time I felt the same way when I was reviewing LG Gram 14. The design of ZenBook 14 is timeless as well. The color which is showcased here is pine grey and it looks really classy. The entire laptop is one color and there is no two-tone treatment here. The lid of the laptop is very sturdy with no creaks or bends. The hinges are robust and there is no flex on the keyboard. It's built and designed amazingly well. No two ways about it. The lid is flanked with a shiny ASUS logo on the left and there is no branding on the bezels as they are super thin. Top of the bezel houses an IR webcam with Windows Hello support. The heat vents are located behind the bottom chassis and back is clear with 4 rubberized feet and speaker units. I also noticed that the surface is not a fingerprint magnet and has a nice rough feel to it. The ergo-lift design of ASUS ZenBook 14 results in the keyboard automatically tilting when the laptop is opened. This design allows users to type more comfortably and also increases the ventilation space under the chassis for improved heat dissipation. Overall, a perfect build and design in my books. Well done, ASUS. Now, let's focus on its performance. With i7 11th Gen and 16GB RAM, the power is always available whenever you need it. Never once during my testing I felt the laptop is slowing down or I'm waiting for applications to open. During my usage, I opened several Chrome tabs and ran multiple programs in the background, and ZenBook 14 performance was excellent all through. The laptop did get slightly warm on top of the keyboard, but the heat is negligible and I experienced no thermal throttling whatsoever. ZenBook 14 also features a powerful Nvidia GeForce MX450 GPU that's capable of accelerating workloads. You can expect up to 1.7 times faster performance over GeForce MX250 graphics for 3D Mark 11 applications. 1TB SSD also helps in super fast read and write speeds. I also tried video editing on ZenBook 14 using Premiere Pro, and you won't face any issues if you output your videos in 4K. Excellent performance all around thanks to the superior specs it possesses. If we talk about gaming, ZenBook 14 is no slouch either. With MX450 under the hood, you can play games on medium to high settings with decent frame rates. You can even play AAA titles if you wish on low to medium settings. With regards to battery, ZenBook 14 is equipped with a 63 Wh battery which can produce more than enough power to cover a day of work or play. During my testing, it lasted easily for 8 hours with brightness at 70% and Wi-Fi on. ZenBook also offers a fast charge function, charging from 0 to 60% in just 49 minutes. ZenBook 14 can be used with a wide range of standard USB-C chargers as well. Users can enjoy ultra-fast charging with any PD certified charger. The typing experience on ZenBook 14 is great as well. The keys of ZenBook 14 features a subtle 0.15mm disc-shaped indentation and 1.4mm of key travel. The disc-shaped indentation helps guide fingers onto the keys and provides better feedback. Below the keyboard, you will see the trackpad, and it's made of glass and it's super precise and supports Windows 10 gestures. ZenBook 14 is also available with the ASUS NumberPad 2.0, an LED illuminated numeric keypad integrated in the touchpad that makes up for the lack of physical numeric keypads in compact laptops. A single touch sensor at the top right of the touchpad turns NumberPad on and off, and a tap on the icon at the left lets you choose one of the two brightness levels. You can also swipe from the top left icon in any direction on the NumberPad 2.0 to activate the calculator app on the main display. Even when the NumberPad is activated, the touchpad can automatically detect finger swipes and cursor movements. This is because the NumberPad software recognizes the user's fingertip motion to distinguish whether they are typing numbers or moving the cursor. Depending on the fingertips' moving distance and taps, the software can intelligently recognize the difference and activates either the cursor or the number typing function. Super nifty feature. Now let's talk about the port situation. On the right, you have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, audio jack, and a micro SD card reader. On the right, you have an HDMI 2.0 port and two Thunderbolt 4 Type C ports which support power delivery and up to 40 Gbps data bandwidth and 8K display output. When it comes to upgradability, you cannot upgrade the RAM as it's soldered onto the motherboard, but you can easily swap the SSD with a bigger and better one if you want. Lastly, speakers. They are downward firing and are powered by Harman Kardon, and they sound fantastic, enough to fill a room easily. Now, let's talk about some unique features of ZenBook 14. Number 1, a built-in dual-band Intel Wi-Fi 6 wireless card offers speeds of up to 2.4 Gbps and provides up to 3 times higher throughput and 4 times the network capacity of Wi-Fi 5. Number 2, incredibly lightweight with less than 1 kg of overall weight. Number 3, ZenBook 14 has a built-in 87 blade fan which can draw up to 15% more air into the system, which improves heat dissipation and performance. Number 4, ZenBook 14 has been tested to meet the ultra-demanding MIL STD 810G US military standard for reliability and durability. Number 5, AI noise cancelling audio. The new ZenBook 14 features an AI noise cancelling audio which ensures that users can hear and be heard clearly in any scenario. Alright, time for final thoughts. If you have the budget and are looking to buy the best Windows can offer, then this is the laptop for you. ZenBook 14 is a perfect laptop for 2021. The performance is exceptional with great specs. The display is gorgeous with slim bezels. Battery will last full day. Amazing build and design. Can game also thanks to MX450 dedicated graphics. And I can go on and on and on. This is the kind of laptop you buy when you are a serious multitasker or a content creator who needs the best of everything. It still cannot compete with the prowess of the new Macs with that magical M1 chip, but if you're deep into Windows ecosystem, then you can definitely go for it. Well done ASUS for bringing such an amazing device to the market. Quick disclaimer, this laptop was provided to me by ASUS Singapore for review purposes and I did not charge any remuneration for the same. They are seeing this review for the first time as you are. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comment section below and fire all your questions if you have any regarding the ASUS ZenBook 14. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.